How to activate and use XChat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open X on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the envelope-like option in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, create a 4-digit passcode. Simply create the passcode and confirm. After you do this, your chat will be activated. Now you'll find different options, all unread, groups, requests, and from here you can simply click on the person you want to search and chat with them. Simply click on their name and you can send the message from here. And this is how to activate and use XChat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.